Okay, welcome back. Let's see how far we get this time. We're gonna start off with the 3V, which is a 3632. Okay. 11, 6, 5. A little too high on the landing. So sorry, flip that. There you go. Eight, 6, 2, 8's the point. Worked out pretty good. Five, 2, 3. Always try to work on your rebound, okay? You want the energy to die out as soon as the dice land, so that way it doesn't go crazy. You need to absorb that energy. 10, 6, 4. It's finding a fine balance of releasing enough energy to get the dice across and having it dissipate as soon as it lands. That's why you practice as much as you can to get that amount of force tweaked. 8, 5, 2. Okay, 5, 3. All right, 8-point made. I'm still calling out the number when the dice is not what it showed. I guess I'm still not quite focused yet. Just need to be focused. 10, 6, 4. 10's a point. So we're at 6 row already. Remember what the math says. Oh, sorry, I was thinking about a different set. Six, 5, 1. I don't think I said this many times, but don't worry about hitting all those numbers. The probability will kick in for you. All you have to do is just stay focused and control the number what the dice is made for. Like the 3 V's is made for 6 and 8. So as long as you're hitting 6 and 8, you're doing fine. 5, 1, 4. And if you're off a number here or there, that's okay too. But that happened because you're not throwing at an axle. The dice are not traveling at an axle. Okay, let's rotate a quarter away from us. Six, 5, 1. Okay, go back on target. I don't like it very much when the dice start touching each other after they land. Five, 3, 2. Seven out. So that's 2, 5, 7 out. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 row. Just like a sweet spot for the 7. Okay, we'll end this video, keep it short, and we'll restart another one.